Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to add channels on YouTube Kids. Now you can add channels to your child's list within the YouTube Kids app by using what is called the Approved Content Only feature. Now here's how to get it done. 1. You need to open your YouTube Kids app, then tap on the settings icon, which is usually a gear icon or 3 dots. Next, you need to enter your parent's passcode. And once you've done this, select Approved Content Only, then tap on Add Content. Search for the channel using the search bar to find the channel you want to add, and then tap on the channel name from the search results. Tap Add to Approved Content, and it's as simple as that. Now, parental controls are key because this feature allows you to have significant control over what your child watches on YouTube Kids. So regularly review the approved content list and remove any channel no longer appropriate for your child. By following these steps, you can effectively add channels to your child's approved content only list within YouTube Kids, ensuring a safe and age-appropriate viewing experience. Hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Note that the specific steps and options may vary slightly depending on the device and version of YouTube Kids app you're using, so always refer to the official YouTube Kids support documentation for the most up-to-date information. Bye for now, see you in the next